Okay, the next installment of Why Does My Jetta Run Like Crap? Today we're going to be looking at mass airflow sensors. The old VAGCOM going here, and we're going to select engine and not responding. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna go into fault codes, and we got two codes here. We got mass airflow sensor, which I think mine's just dirty. Okay, step number one, you're gonna need a T20 Torx, but not a regular one. You need these ones with the hole in the middle, like that. Security Torx, and we're gonna take out this screw and this screw. First things first, pop this off. Of course, the clip's already broken, so it falls right off. Put the bit into the bit driver receptacle and crack them loose. Oh, get my hand out of the way so you can see. Throw that up there. Okay, and we're gonna wiggle her out there. Ginger careful. This is a ginger careful item here. Alright, let's take it inside. Alright, now the first tool you're gonna need is a hammer. And you're just gonna hit it right on this wire here. And you're just gonna...
What the hell is this?
No, don't do that. That won't work. Alright, what we're gonna need something better than that. Alright, so you're gonna want to use a DC arc welder, and you're gonna put the ground right there. And these are the welding rods I'm gonna use. You're just gonna put in your stinger there. And put on your helmet, because you don't want to go blind by the time you're 30. And then we're just going to lay a small bead right here, right across these wires here. Run a small bead right here. Alright. I'm just kidding, don't do any of that. That'll fuck your shit right up. Alright, but anyways, what we really are going to need, some Q-tips, some rubbing alcohol. This shit is like gold. I haven't seen any of this shit in like 2 months. Everybody's buying it up, turning it into hand sanitizer. Can't get any of that fucking shit now. Alright, but what we're going to be doing, we're going to be cleaning. You can clean off these wires with a Q-tip right here. But just be real careful because they're made out of, I don't know, unobtainium platinum or something. And then if you look down in here, down in there, there's a little plate. You're going to want to put some rubbing alcohol, Q-tip, and clean that out. Same thing in there. There's a really thin wire. Let's see if I can get a shot of it. Okay, now you can see that little blue, looks like a little resistor or something. There's a plate in there. There's that metal plate in there. Like I said, you just want to be really careful. Don't break this wire or else you'll be buying a new mass airflow sensor. So be real gentle here. Clean that up. So we're going to do this plate in here. Then just got a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the end. Just gonna let it air dry from here. Okay, now that you let it dry for 5 seconds because you're super impatient and you don't want to wait, you're gonna want to look for a little arrow on here, or remember which way you took it out. But the arrow is gonna point in the direction of the airflow. So your air filter's right here. The air is gonna go this way into the turbo and then up into your engine. So if the arrow is pointing this way, focus. Okay. The arrow's pointing that way. It's going to point towards your engine. So we're going to put it in like that. Alright, then just pop your connector back on. Alright, that's a good sign. Fired right up. No check engine light. Now I just gotta see if that code comes back. It was a quick video. That's just what I was doing today. If you got any questions, drop a comment. Peace.